Welcome to the Hair Diary, the home of beauty, culture, and creativity through hairstyles. If you are looking for trendy, protective, and elegant hairstyles for black queens, you've just landed in the right place. Whether you love the classic touch of box braids, the effortless charm of Boho-Knotless Braids, or the sleek beauty of Senegal's twists, we've got you covered and more. Each style we post is not just a hairstyle, it's a statement, a celebration of our heritage, confidence, and versatility. From short and chic to long and dramatic, we bring you the latest trendy styles, creative inspirations, and timeless looks that elevate your beauty and protect your natural hair. Want a style that tones heads, a look that's easy to manage and slays every outfit, or a bold transformation that speaks on your personality? We've got something special for you. So, whether you're prepping for a special event, switching up your vibe, or just in love with gorgeous hair content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. New uploads drop every week, packed with hairstyle ideas you would absolutely love. Because here at the Hair Diary, every strand tells a story, and your next look might just be your best yet.